have to do is go to your notes and give me the formula. Brian?
Ax and n as an exponent, and in parentheses, a times n, and in parentheses, x and exponent n minus 1.
Very good. Okay. So what does A stand for? I gave you the word for it. I gave you the definition or the vocabulary word for A. What does A stand for? Starts with a C.
Constant.
No. Other one. Thank you, Brian, for looking at your notes. Coefficient. Who's that?
Me.
Who's me? Okay. What is N? Joaquin, what's N?
Notation.
Mm-mm. What is N? No. Exponent. Who's that? Who's that? Okay. I don't think I did one for do now. Okay. So we need to figure out what the coefficient is in the exponent and apply it to this. Can I get somebody to start us off for number 1? Somebody to start us off with number 1. Say that again. F prime of x. Three times 5. Five minus 1. Okay.
X 2 minus 1.
Very good.
And negative parentheses, times 9 times 1.
Mm-hmm.
X 1 minus 1.
Okay. Very good. Plus 0, you said?
Yeah.
Very good. Any questions on that? You have to ask questions now. You have to ask questions now. Because we will not answer questions and you cannot use your notes, remember. All right, keep going. Lucero? Mm-hmm.
Minus 16x over 1. Minus 9x over 0.
Okay.
And we do x over 0 equals 1.
X to 0 equals 1.
Yeah. And then we start with 15.
Okay. Very good. Questions? Let me zoom in on this. Seniors, you have to make sure you're asking questions. If you don't know where things are coming from, you have to ask. Lucero? Joaquin? Melissa? Brian? So I'm walking around them right now to make sure that you have it on your paper. Some of you aren't even writing it on your paper. I'm looking at everybody's. the exponent of 1 on the 16x to the first?
No.
No. It is okay if you don't write the 1, but there has to be an x. Are there any questions on that? Are we sure? Good job. All right, everybody have that? Can I move on to the next one? No? Okay, let me know when I can. Anthony, you ready or no? Okay. All right, let's look at the next one. What do I do? It's the same process.
G prime
G prime.
equals parentheses -4/9 times 9.
Give me a second. Sorry, I'm not going to have a lot of room, and I apologize. So I'm just going to write it on 2 lines. Go ahead.
And x, and then 9 minus 1,
Mm-hmm.
and then minus with a repeated, but like -5/2 and times 4
Okay.
to x again, and 4 minus 1.
Okay.
The last one is 0.
Okay. Why is this 0? Somebody other than Brian, Lucetto, Joaquin, and Melissa? What is this called? Gentlemen. A constant. Who was that? Okay. And remember, the derivative of a constant is always 0. Go ahead, Brian.
Yeah, and so let's go. Multiply to parentheses,
Uh-huh.
and then it's -4,
Okay.
and then x3,
Not 3. We're on this one right here, so it's...
oh wait, it is 8,
Mm-hmm.
and then -10, and then x, and then 3.
Are we done with that?
Yeah.
Yes. Questions? Questions? Are we sure? Okay, let's move on to the next one. Does everybody have this down? Okay. Can I go? No, yes? Yeah? Okay. Okay. Before we take the derivative of this, before we apply the power rule, what must we do? What do we have to do? What do we have to do? What do we have to do? Brian again.
I think like you bring the equation,
Okay, how do I do that?
so like ax, and then ax and exponent is 12, and the bottom 2x is 2,
Okay,
and then plus 6x and 4, and then bottom 5x.
okay,
So what I did there was brings the exact same fraction, well, like 12 minus 2.
Oh, so like 8 over 2, and then x 12 minus 2, like that?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
And you do the same here. Same here, 2, 6, and 5. So like with 4 and stuff.
Uh-huh. And then what do you subtract?
I subtract only ones of the above exponents, so like 12 minus 2 is like 10.
I'm sorry, say that again?
So like, I always, so like, I get like the subtraction part,
Mhm.
like 8 over 2, then 12 minus 2, it would be like 8 over 2, then 10.
Okay, and we'll simplify that to 10. But what do you subtract here? What is the exponent here?
Uh,
1. Very good. So we're subtracting 1. Remember, if there is no exponent, the understood exponent is 1. Do we stop here? No. Why don't we stop here? Anthony, write this down. Why don't we stop here? Is this the derivative?
no.
No, we still need to use the power rule. We still have to use the power rule. Somebody other than Brian, can we at least start it out? Somebody other than Brian. And if we don't understand where any of this is coming from, you have to ask. You want to do it again? Okay, go ahead.
dy by dx
Good use of notation. Very good.
equals 4 times 10.
Okay.
Then x 10 minus 1
Okay.
plus parentheses 6 over 5
Mm-hmm.
times 3
Mm-hmm.
x 3 minus 1
Okay.
and then dy over dx equals 40x over 9 plus 80 over 5
X what?
x2.
Very good. Questions? Oh, sorry. There you go. Say it again.
How can you say that the bottom 24?
I made a mistake. It's 18. Okay, can I see still people still writing. I'm gonna zoom out so I can move over to this one. Can we take the derivative like this yet? Did we do this one yesterday?
No.
Oh, we did not do this one yesterday. Okay, that's okay. My bad. We really did this one?
No, we didn't.
Oh, okay. All right, then we'll skip this one. Are there any remaining questions? All right, then put everything away. Put everything away. Everything. I will put a slide on the board.